Hi guys, it's Angel from Roxy Roo Crafts. Today I'm bringing you a triple panel card. It's not my idea. I could see it this morning from a lovely lady called Eve from Scrapbooking with Me. I'll add a link down below. The papers for this project are Garden Impressions 6x6. The cardstock is So Saffron, Whisper White. Stamp sets are Very Vintage Stamps and the Accented Blooms. Also, we've stamped in the new red stamp pad, which I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to be stamping this time in Dapper Denim, but all the same papers are going to be on here from the Garden Impressions. Also got some little laser cut flowers on there, which is our other business, Simply Personalised, where we do loads of laser cuts, wooden laser cuts, which all can be personalised for you, and LED light blocks. So I will leave the link below and have a look. Alright, let's get started. Right, you need your scoreboard and piece of cardstock, which is 10 inches by 5.5, and this is Whisper White. With your 10 inches across the top, you need to score at 3, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, so 3, 4, 6 and 7. Don't need to scoreboard no more. Fold all your lines. Whoops. Last one. Along there. And then is all you do is you bring up the middle. So you've got like a square wobbly bit in the middle. Push it together further so that underneath meets. And just flatten it. Like that. Okay, so you'll have this shape. Easy peasy. Right, now for DSP. You need 2 pieces which measure 2 3/4 by 5 1/4, and you need 2. You need the middle panel, which is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4, and you need the 2 side pieces, these little thin pieces down there, which are 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. All the sizes will be on my blog, so you can go back and have a look on there. Tombow, my faithful friend. Just make sure you have your paper up the right way if you've got a pattern to it, which this one isn't. That's quite busy, so it doesn't really matter. Like so. Stick down there nicely, and then the centre panel. Down the middle. Like so. These 2 side panels, I flip the paper over. You've got the front and the back, and I use down the sides on the opposite side. one. Two. Really easy, simple card to put together. And then when you do that, you will have that shape and the nice back side of your papers. Just break up the mane. Okay, we now have punches. These are awesome. If you're going to invest in punches, go with Stampin' Up. I've already pre-punched some little floral or foliage, whichever you want to call them, from my old faithful Martha Stewart punches, but my hands are not so great now, and these are so hard to push through cardstock. These go through a breeze, so if you can afford to get these, they're a little bit more, you won't be disappointed. Alright, we've got the scallop punch, which is 1 3/8, really lovely, and we have the circle, which is 1 1/2. Only 2 I've got at the moment. I just oogle over the rest. Right, we need, this is So Saffron, and it's beautiful. Haven't used it yet, apart from use that whole piece for them little bits of foliage. So you need 1 1/2 circle punch. How easy is that? Then a scrap piece of card. On your scallop. Okay. There's over there. Then you need, I'm using Dapper Denim. Oh, it's beautiful. I've only just got used to these stamp pads opening this way, and Stampin' Up changed them so they open the opposite way, and you would have giggled if you'd have just seen me trying to open them. We're using the For You, wherever it is. Oh, there it is, it's in the wrong box. For You from the Very Vintage, which is lovely. Your block. Tap, 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 tap. There's the For You. Okay. Wash your blocks, wash your blocks. Oh, sorry, just turned my phone off. Always goes when you're recording. So now we need, pop that one back in there. I'll use the Hello from Accented Blooms, which is another lovely set. So pop it. Ooh, I have a spider on my arm. Scrap piece of Whisper White. Tap, 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 tap. I love those. Come out so clear. Lovely. Swipe off your block. Like so. Right, we'll leave that one to dry for the minute and we'll do the border, which is from the other one, which I've just put away. This is very pretty. Very nice. And that's just what I've used to go along the top, just to break it up for this one on Whisper White. Alright. So back on your block. You'll cut these down a little bit, but you won't lose too much pattern. So tap tap. There's one. And there's two. Like so. Just give that a quick wipe. I need a Stampin scrub. I think that's on my wish list. Right, just give them 2 seconds to dry. For the scalloped ones, you need some dimensionals on the back of the For You. Like so, and I've got really inky fingers. Onto there, like so. On the bottom of this one, I added one of our pearls, a May gift from Amanda. Nice surprise. My team leader, lovely, so supportive. If you want to join a team, join Amanda's. She's fab. Alright, I just added a little pearl across the bottom of that one. And I'll add another one on the hello in a minute when it's dried. Scissors. Like I say, unfortunately, I haven't got many punches at the moment to be able to use the punches with the matching stamp sets. So I've got to wait. So just roughly, I like a nice light border around mine, and it just matches nicely. Alright. Then this one, we added a pearl. Where did I just put those? Here, a pearl. Oh, I've lost one. Waste not, want not. Pearl on there as well. Just make that pop. Dimensionals on the back. On here, just pop dimensionals on either end because you're going to put your foliage across the top, so you need a little bit of space to do that. Got my poke tool sitting beside me and I still don't use it. Right, flatten your card out if that's easier. And just pop that on there, and I tend to just give it a little bit of a curve so you can tuck your foliage underneath nicely, and then I just randomly add it with some Tombow. If it ever wants to come out. Oh, there we go. And then I just tuck it underneath. Just get it to stick to the back and then lift it up. You'll hear a little pop where it comes unstuck to the back of your card, so it still looks like you've got dimensionals under there. And there. And under there. You can add them exactly, you know, however way you want. It doesn't matter. No set rule for foliage. Just my poor hands don't like punching them out at the moment. Right, what else have we got? For You. Pop that on the back. Like so. And we pop that down the bottom. Like so. So it's getting there. Right, now we need, oh, the borders. So again, just randomly chop these because I'm sure there's a better way of doing them. But I do it this way so that I can, if I can find it, use my distressing tool because I like to go around the edge. Not on everything, just certain things. And it makes, if your cutting's like mine, which can be horrendous, I can't cut in a straight line, it covers up your sins. So you can get away with a little bit more. Okay, just softly, softly do your edges. That one will go on there. And same with this one. Whew, everybody got the sunshine today? I'm cooking. Rather hot here in sunny Ipswich, and it's meant to get hotter next week, so not a fan of the sunshine. I prefer the snow, snuggly jumpers, hot chocolate, Christmas movie. Christmas. Are we thinking about Christmas already? And there's another one we just pop on there. So again, dimensionals on the back. 1, 2, and then the same on the other one. 2, and I pop one down there, like so, and one up the top. Like so. And there we go. Simple as that. How pretty. Lovely, lovely. I really like those. They're really good. Now, I have ordered myself, let me grab the book, and I'm so excited for next week. I am an absolute sucker for cuteness. Anything cute, and I'm there. And this is what I have coming next week. It's a Sweet Story book stamp set. Oh, look at them mice. Can't wait, cannot wait. But I've also got it with the Finlet dies as well, so never really used them before, so it should be fun. But looking forward to showing you them next time. Okay, please have a browse through your catalogue. There is so much goodness in there. You even got a peek sneak of Christmas that's coming up again. Twice today, twice. Look at these, cuteness. Again, they're a must. And that is a definite, that is gonna be in my craft room shortly. The varied vases, it's beautiful, and it comes with a punch, which you can 3D layer up, punch up. And I've been told the punch sets that go with the stamp sets are really popular and the best ones, but look at them. And the quotes are lovely. Hoping your day blooms with happiness. Birthday wishes. You are simply the best. Oh, I could oogle all day. Anyway, guys, go and have a look at the magazine. My links are all down below for my shop. Have any questions, let me know. And for now, go get ordering. Bye.